right, give you a check out on this one here. Good looking Mack. PTO tank here on this side. Single line out here, looks like to me. Kind of connections there. Get a good frame rail space. Dual exhaust. Good virgin rubber. Looks like we got nice Bridgestones actually. Good depth to them. Nice polished up. Frame's in good shape here. Got disc brakes. Back it up a little bit here, you can see what we got working. We have not serviced this one yet. We need to get all that done there. You know, got a 150 fuel tank here. Pop back this way a little bit. We'll climb on the inside. Good looking truck. Got the LED headlights, everything else on it. Door's in great shape. Inside's in even better shape. Really, it doesn't look used at all. It does look new. That out of fuel, it's not helping any, but it is what it is there. 397, 977, no codes, nothing going on. Looks like we got oil temp, water temp. Looks like we got turbo temp. Brake pressure there, pressure, yeah, there we go. 2 PTO controls on the dash, full lockers looks like here on the dash. On our newer style here, we got all the Bluetooth capability, everything else mixed in. We got our actual PTO controls in here on the bottom, and everything's looking good. Hope that helps out a little bit. I can back up and give you another walk around. Got any other questions about it? MP8 455. Good setup on it. This way.